Hey y'all, it's Bobby with JB Toy Store, and today we have exciting news. We've got some of the SH Figuarts Sailor Moon Color Animation Color Edition in our online store, which is jbtoystore.com. And if you're in need of one of these characters or figures, you should go check us out. Today we are going to open Sailor Mercury and go over everything she has. So let's get her open. Alright, let's get her out of the box. The instructions. Her stand. They taped her in here. Now that we have her out of the packaging, we have her Mercury goggles, her closed supercomputer, her open supercomputer, the figure of course, then we have her attack face, her stern face, her open smile face, we have the relaxed grasping hands, the closed open hands, her attack hands, then of course a pair of fists, and the hand that was going to hold the computer. Let's get a closer look at her.